Today we're going to open the wheelchair Barbie with the rim. Oh no, one more here. Guys, I know what these Barbies do. They do this, they can do this, and they can do this. Then it can do this, and then it can do this. Then it can do the same things on another one. Then it can do this. Then it can do this.
So it's very flexible and bendy.
And then it can do this.
It has a very beautiful watch.
See the detail?
Came with a ramp. And we're going to show how we can use it. And
You can use it like this, guys.
And here is the wheelchair.
And you can click the Barbie on easily, so easy. You just click it like that. And it runs. And just put the hands on the wheelchair to be realistic. And you know what? It has a stop for the wheel. It has stops for the wheel to not go really well. Well, it goes better. Yes.
It has a footrest.
I'm gonna go. Whee! Who poses this Barbie can do?